Will Dex Finance hold on to the top spot, or will another project take over at number one? We're going to find out right now on Top 3 Crypto and DeFi Plays of the Week. Welcome back to APYI Crypto and DeFi, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Coming in at number 3 is Ooze Finance. It definitely deserves the 3 spots this week. It's all the way up to $5.35. Last time we looked at it, it was in the $3 range. And it's printing out at 1% daily, a little over 1%. I've been compounding daily, and it's getting me over $3 a day. That's quite the return considering when I started on this, I only put in $40. There's also ways to increase your stats, like your daily return percentage by increasing the speed with XP that you earn from compounding, strength. That's the max deposit that you can increase. So this project's been doing very well. And it looks like they have a lot on their white paper coming soon. So I'll keep an eye on it, and it's definitely deserving of the number 3 spot. If anybody's still interested in getting in, my referral is linked in the description of the video. Well deserving of an honorable mention is Make DeFi Better, also known as Million Dollar Baby. This project has a lot to offer. It has multiple tokens that for multiple risk tolerances. The MDB token has just been on a rampage. It's all the way up to 0.008 cents. First video I came out with on it was about 0.005 cents. It also has a stable coin that actually increases in value, which is really cool. I need to do a video on that. But yeah, Million Dollar Baby, Make DeFi Better, just a solid project. We'll look more into it here in the future. And the number 2 project is Furio. Furio and the number 1 project were neck and neck, but Furio has been great. The token itself is up to $11 or down to $11.25, so it's made quite a pullback, but you expect that with that huge run-up it had. They got a lot of things going on. Look at their Twitter page, they're showing that, let's see at the top, that 82% of the supply is locked in the vault, which is amazing. They're talking a lot about Furbet, however you want to pronounce it. It's going to be like a casino type thing. Predictions. They probably have like, I don't know if it's sports betting too. If we look down here, let's see. If we can see business model. Okay, if we go to the Medium article. So I get in, I think the tokens are going to be 50 cents. All chips within the project will be a fixed price of 50 cents USDC. So yeah, obviously you got to be over 18 to get in. Responsible participation by over 18s. Not sure how they're going to check your age, but Furbet is a gaming protocol that will have its own unique token that will be on the Binance Smart Chain. The token can be purchased with USDC, which is their token of choice, as we believe that DeFi's ecosystem should be striving for stability. Array of games, including roulette, slots, dice, and card games, and crypto prediction markets. And it was pretty cool. Alright, and I've been just compounding daily. I'm still not at 2.25%, but pretty soon I should be. I think at the next compound I will be 64.33 is where I'm at right now. So yeah, Furio has been super stable. It's been really good so far. I think we're gonna hit it looks like it's kind of, I think it's got a little bit more to go, maybe down around the $10 range. We'll see. If it gets below $10, I might pick up a few more. And the number one project is Dex Finance. It was a close one between Dex and Furio, but Dex this week comes out on top. It's been doing very well. There were some whales selling off, it seemed like. You got to remember that the US Dex token is supposed to be pegged to the dollar, and it's at $1.11 right now. And it was at $1.40 for a very long time. Still paying out. Let's see what the daily APRs are. The APRs 184% in the US Dex pool and 314% in the Dex Share BNB pool. Just very solid. If you go to their Twitter, they do have a predictions market that's now live. So bet the market and win. Predicted the market will go up or down in intervals of 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. All bets are final. Please make sure you understand the risks. So they're doing a lot of different things. Seems like they're coming out with some pretty cool stuff. All right, let's give it up for Dex Finance. And big shout out to DeFi Proof. This is on their Twitter. This is their, I guess, Dex's rap song, new rap video. Everybody, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day.